day, every morning, every night. Turn the lights down low. Oh, you know, love is satisfaction guaranteed. You'll be mine. I am in quarantine, so when I'm being seen around working places, I think of you. I think of you every day, every night, every morning, every night, every day, every night. I'm thinking of you every day, every night, every moment. I'm so lonely. I'm in the crib alone, thinking of you. Oh, this corona, 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 corona. You know where I'm from.
I feel the same way. 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 I feel the same way.
Unconditional love. Unconditional love. Satisfaction guaranteed. Even though I'm in quarantine, it took me in days when I was 17 or 18. Back in the days, back to the old school, I bring it back to the new school. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So baby, let me show you love. Though I'm in quarantine, corona took my life away from you. But I be thinking and I be missing you, and I'm thinking like that and like this and like that. Baby, 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 unconditional love.
I feel the same way. 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 I feel the same way.
I remember when I was 17, 18, back in the days when I was in school. Now I'm a grown man now, and I'm so in love with you. So it's gonna be unconditional love. Love. You remember I was in quarantine, I was alone, I wasn't happy. But when I'm thinking of you, when I hear your voice on the telephone, I smile, I smile.